Hello doctors, this is a short video about All India Counseling in UG/PG medical courses. First I will give some information on the AIQ scheme. The All India Quota scheme was first introduced in 1986 under the directions of the Honorable Supreme Court to provide for domicile-free, merit-based opportunities to students from any state to aspire to study in a premier medical college located in another state. This All India Quota scheme consists of 15% of UG seats and 50% of PG seats contributed by the state in government medical colleges. Initially, there was no reservation in AIQ scheme up to 2007. In 2007, the reservation was introduced 15% for SCS and 7.5% for STS in the AIQ scheme. However, this was not extended to the All India Quota seats of state medical and dental colleges. Now the union government has decided to provide for 27% reservation for OBCs and 10% reservation for EWS in the AIQ scheme. The OBC students from across the country shall be able to take benefit of this reservation to compete for seats in any state. In order to provide benefit to students belonging to EWS category in admission to higher educational institution, a constitutional amendment was made in 2019 which enabled the provision of 10% reservation for EWS category. However, implementation of these two schemes are stalled by due to the court cases pending in the Supreme Court of India. The final hearing is scheduled on 6/2/2022. Then coming to the new methodology adopted by the central government in conducting 4 rounds of AIQ counseling. This is a modified policy approved by central government on All India Quota seats from 2021-22. According to the new modified policy, there will be 4 rounds of online counseling. Earlier, there was only 2 rounds of All India counseling conducted by the MCC of DGHS. But according to this modified scheme, there are 4 rounds of online counseling, that is AIQ round 1, AIQ round 2, AIQ mop-up round and AIQ stray round. The seats which are earlier reverted back to their respective states after completion of round 2 will now continue to be filled in the AIQ mop-up round and AIQ stray vacancy round to be conducted by the MCC. The said rounds will only be conducted for the All India Quota seats which are contributed by the states for 15% UG seats and 50% PG seats. In this scheme, fresh registration will be allowed in AIQ round 1, AIQ round 2 and AIQ mop-up round. No fresh registration in the stray vacancy round. there will be no option of upgrading to mop-up round from round 2. However, option is there for upgradation and free exit only in the round 1 of the AIQ counseling. Another point, candidates who have joined the allotted seats in round 2 and further rounds of counseling will not be allowed to resign and will also ineligible to take part in further rounds of any type of counseling. Candidates who have not joined the allotted seat in round 2 will be eligible for further rounds of counseling subject to forfeiture of security deposit and fresh round only in mop-up round. This is all about the AIQ scheme. Thank you.